Hi, I'm Nikhil from Nixel Presentation. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design an umbrella diagram on MS PowerPoint 2016 with a little animation effect. Hope you will like this. Let's start. Go to View tab and enable Guides. Insert an oval shape, remove its outline and set the size as 9 and place it in the center. Now draw a rectangular shape from the middle of the slide towards the bottom of oval shape. Now select the oval shape, then rectangular shape, go to merge shape, then click on subtract. Now insert an oval shape, remove its outline, change its color and place it in the center. Now select both shapes, go to merge shapes, click on fragment and delete unwanted parts. Now we have three parts of the umbrella. Insert one more oval shape, remove its outline, change its color and place it just below the middle portion of the umbrella. Select the middle portion, then the oval shape and go to merge shape, then click on subtract. Now insert one more oval shape, remove its outline, change its color, adjust its size and place it just below the left portion of the umbrella. Go to format shape, increase its transparency. Okay. Now select it, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate and place it just below the right portion of the umbrella. Now select left portion of umbrella, then oval shape, go to merge shape, then click on subtract. Do the same action for the right side portion. Now select all the shapes, go to Format tab, go to Shape Outline, increase the border weight, then select white outline color. Now let's format the umbrella also. See the video. Okay, it's looking good. Now let's make it more beautiful and attractive. Yes, it's done. Now add some icons and set the alignment. Add some text also. Moving to the final stage, add some animation effect. Keep watching it. Yes, we have done it. Let's see how it works. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.